minor fender bender fix on this 2025 BMW M5.
She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believe in shoes and cars.
Another satisfied customer. Follow for more.
Tour from the store's departments. You more like love to start.